Dear learners, how are you feeling today? Hope feeling good and doing well. Let us study today about sets. You know, you may say sometime the collection of Puma sports you have. You may have a collection of Rolex watches. You may say sometime, right? The collection we say in mathematically sets. Set of Rolex watches you have. Set of Puma sports shoe you have, something like that we can say. So set is defined as well collection of objects or well defined collection of objects. A set is a well defined collection of objects. Okay, we say that. Let us see about some examples of sets. The collection of all colors in a rainbow. Collection of all colors in a rainbow is an example of set. The collection of beautiful flowers in a garden. Then we can say the collection of natural numbers. All are examples of sets. All are examples of sets. Notation. A set is usually denoted by capital letters of the English alphabet A, B, P, Q, X, Y, and so on. The elements of a set is written within curly brackets. So this is curly bracket. What bracket? Curly bracket denoted like this. Curly bracket denoted like this. The elements in a set will be written within this bracket. For example, let set A equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are elements. So see the curly brackets are used. Curly bracket is used to represent elements of a set. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are there in set A. So we say that 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 5 belongs to A, 7 belongs to A. Look at this. Here 2 is an element. Here 2 is an element of A or 2 belong to A. 2 belong. This symbol is called, this symbol is belong. So we read it as 2 belongs to A. 2 belongs to A. We read it as 2 belongs to A. So this symbol is belongs to. What we say? Belongs to. So next you see 5. 5 is an element of A or we say 5 belongs to A. Suppose we take other than 2, 3, 5, 7 any one number. Then what happened? Other than 2, 3, 5, 7, then 4. I am taking 4. 4 is not an element of A. 4 is not an element of A. 4 is not an element of A. So we say 4 does not belongs to A. What we say? 4 does not belongs to A. We say that 4 does not belongs to A. So this symbol is called does not belong to. What we say? The belongs to symbol is cut. The belongs to symbol is cut. So we say does not belong to. What we say? Does not belong. By using belongs to and does not belongs to, let us fill the blanks. Let set B has 4 elements: Ajit, Vijay, Dhanush, Shiva. So 4 names are elements of set B. Here the question you see, Ajit. Ajit belongs to set B or not? Yes, Ajit is there in the set B. So we can use the belongs to symbol. What symbol? Belongs to symbol. Can use belongs to symbol. So Ajit is there in set B, so belongs to. Then Kalam. Kalam is there in that set B? No, there is no Kalam name. So Kalam does not belongs to B. Does not belongs to B. Then Arun. Arun is there in set B? There is no name in set B. So Arun does not belongs to B. Arun does not belongs to B. So does not belongs to symbol. Then Vijay, yes, Vijay is there in the set B. So Vijay is belongs to B. Vijay is belongs to B. So this is belongs to symbol. Vijay is belongs to B. Okay, hope you got it. A set can be represented. A set can be represented in any one of the following three ways. Any of the following three ways or forms. So set can be represented in three ways or three forms, we say. First one is descriptive form. What form? Descriptive form. So descriptive form is written as the set of whole numbers. What we say? The set of whole numbers. Or we say another, the collection of all rivers in India. So examples of representing descriptive form: the set of whole numbers, the collection of all rivers in India. Likewise, next form is what? That is set builder form. Next form is set builder form or rule form. Set builder form or rule form. What we say? Set builder form or rule form. So here, this is slash and a colon symbol are used, right? The symbol colon and slash stands for such that. We have to read it as such that. What we have to read it as? Such that. So here set A x such that x is a whole number. So set A has whole numbers. Set A is x, that x is belongs to whole numbers. Set B equal to x. X, how the x is representing? X is a vowel in English alphabet. So x is elements of set B, all elements from English alphabet. That is the meaning. So this form, it frame a certain rule. So we say that this is set builder form or rule form. Let us see third form. Sets can be represented in roster form, or we say tabular form. So each element particularly indicated here. See, set A equal to A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 elements. It has got no rule. All elements is visible. We have to write individually. Set B, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It means that B has all whole numbers. So whole numbers start from 0. It goes endlessly by increasing 1, right? So it forms like this. So roster form or tabular form represent each element particularly using comma. Okay, hope you got it. 3 way of representing sets. Okay, come on my dears. Let us represent these 2 words in roster form. What form? Roster form. First one is parallelogram. Second one is assessment. So repeated letters we will not use repeatedly. We will use only once. Okay. Look at solution. X is representing parallelogram. So PARLEOGM. So repeated letters we are not using. How many times is repeated? We are using only one time, right? A is repeated 3 times, but we consider only one A. R is repeated 2 times, we consider only one time. L is repeated 3 times, we consider only one time. So repeated letters will not use repeatedly, we use just once. So X is equal to PARLEOGM. So by using comma, the letters are separated. So it is in the form of roster form. Okay, next Y. Y is equal to ASEMNT. Hope you got it. How to represent roster form, right? Yes. Let's see how to represent set builder form. Let us represent given these 2 questions in set builder form. What form? Set builder form. The first question is set P equal to set of all Tamil months in a year. So Tamil months in a year we have to represent in set P. Second question Q is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Q equal to 1, 2, 3. Let us see now solution. So set builder form is also called rule form, right? One rule we have to make it. Solution P is equal to X. P is equal to X such that X is a Tamil month in a year. So X is representing here a Tamil month in a year. So rule is framed like this. P equal to X such that X is a Tamil month in a year. Then Q equal to X such that X is a natural number less than 7. Natural number less than 7, because the question is given 1 to 6. So these are all natural numbers, counting numbers, right? 1 to 6. So we can make a rule like Q equal to X such that X is a natural number less than 7. Hope you got it, how to make a rule to represent set builder form. Okay, hope you got it, how to represent given sets in roster form and set filter form. I will give 3 sum for you to represent set builder form and roster form. You can do it yourself. Represent the following sets in roster form and set builder form. Question number 1. Thus A equal to a set of even numbers less than 20. B equal to the set of odd whole numbers less than 9. And C equal to the set of all perfect cube more than 5 less than 20. Hope you like this video. For more videos, you can subscribe this channel. You can give your valuable comments too. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.